Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get this super cute skirt combo on Dress to Impress without needing VIP at all. Yes, you do need some currency items, but currency items technically you can grind using the pink currency. So let's get this skirt in the only skirt in no layer. You can color whatever color you want. I'm just going to use this for mine. Actually, let's do default, and in this color, I don't know if I should default or glitter. Well, let's do glitter. And then we are going to use this. This is the prize item that we got from the Valentine's Day one. Toggle it to the third toggle, and again, color it, the same. I think I'm gonna make that go like this, maybe. Okay. And then this one in the second toggle, same color. And lastly, we are going to use the skirt in the long skirt toggle. You can toggle off the string or keep it. It's totally up to you what you want to do. And that is it. Super cute skirt combo, and it is free as well. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click that thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.